Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here today with a very easy, quick, yet very delicious recipe of garlic shrimp pasta, all on your demand. As I had randomly posted this picture on my status on Instagram, and I had too many requests by my followers to post this recipe on my channel. So here it comes. I'm sure you all will love it. Mainly, this is one of the easiest pasta recipe I can say, as we have many lot of recipes with pastas like red sauce pasta, Mexican pasta, Alfredo, and too many, but then this is the most easiest one. So make sure you give a try on this lovely recipe. And for those who are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming recipes. And let's quickly have a look at the ingredients what we need to make this recipe. Here I have cooked one packet of penne pasta, which was around 400 grams. You just need to take lots of water in a pot with a little bit of salt and oil. Oil will stop it from sticking to each other. Once the water boils, you can add in the pasta and keep stirring in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And then it will around take 10 to 12 minutes. You can see this is perfectly cooked. Do not overcook the pastas. It will stick to each other and be gummy. So it can spoil your recipe. And other ingredients are like I have taken 2 medium-sized onions, sliced it thickly. You can see the thickness of the onions. They are just roughly sliced. And then here it's one large capsicum with a red small one. And this is around 8 pods of garlic. If it is Indian, you can take 10 to 12 pods, whereas they are small. And here I've taken whole red chili too. You can take 1 tablespoon of chili flakes if you have. I prefer it making fresh, that's why I've taken the whole ones. And here I've taken around 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoon of vinegar. Here this is optional, half teaspoon of oregano, as I love to add oregano in my pasta. So if you don't have, you can really skip it, that's no issues. Here a little bit of salt just for the prawns, as the soya sauce already has salt, so just make sure. Here I have taken around 600 grams of medium-sized shrimps. This is cleaned, and you can see this. I just pinch the veins from this side. I do not give a slit or a cut on the prawns. I like it this way, and then I always prefer keeping the tail as it avoids it from shrinking. And here you can see I have just given a pulse in the mixer, and then I have my fresh chili flakes ready. Sorry, I skipped to show you the oil in the ingredient section. I've taken around 5 tablespoons of oil, normal vegetable oil. You can even use olive oil if you prefer so. And then I have added the garlic chopped. Just tossed it for 30 seconds and immediately added the sliced onions. Here I'm just on a very high flame. I'm just tossing this for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, and then added the capsicum and giving it a mix. Here again just 1 to 2 minutes, that's it, because we do not want our onions or capsicum to be soft and soggy. Then I have added 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and the oregano. Giving it a stir, immediately adding the shrimps. Here make sure you wash and drain well the shrimps so that when you add it to the oil it doesn't leave water. And adding the salt. Here the flame, I'm cooking this on high flame till the end. Here you can see within a minute or two the shrimps are already getting that curve. That means it's already cooking. You really don't need to cook your shrimps a lot, because it really cooks within 5 minutes. And you saw I have added all the sauces like tomato ketchup, soya sauce, and vinegar, given it a quick stir, and within 4 minutes of adding the shrimps I immediately added my pasta, as I do not like my shrimps to be overcooked. It'll lose the actual taste of it. And then here once I added the mixed pasta to the, cooked pasta to this, and here is your easy garlic shrimp pasta almost ready. And then I just tossed it for around 2 to 3 minutes so that it absorbs the flavor, and close the lid. Just simmer it for 1 minute so that the pasta gets that nice shrimp flavor on each one. And then here is your delicious pasta ready. That mild garlic flavor without much spices, this is a perfect one with the sauces. My kids love this. I'm sure you and your kids will also enjoy the recipe. Also, make sure to share the recipe with your friends and family so that they can also make and enjoy this recipe. And as I always say, your feedbacks are very valuable to me, so do not forget to comment below and let me know if you like the recipe or not. And do hit a like if you liked it. So do try out this delicious recipe at home for your breakfast or dinner. I usually love this as my dinner. And coming to our extra points, just want to highlight that this is not a spicy recipe, so you can add 2 to 3 green chilies along with the garlic if you want it to be spicy. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.